Hello students, today our topic of discussion is various kinds of interest groups of a business and what are the various kinds of social responsibilities that the business has to perform towards these kinds of interest groups. So now first of all we will go into details about what is the meaning of interest groups. Now interest group means a group of individuals or organization those who have certain interest in your business or you also have some kind of interest towards them. That means without their existence our business cannot be properly run. Okay, and we have the interest groups have an significant influence over the smooth flow of the business business activities and operations. Now interest groups are also known as pressure groups. Why are they known as pressure groups? Because they can influence our business, they can influence us. That means their opinions or their behavior and their interest towards our business has a great influence over the smooth flow of the business. Okay, so they, in order to satisfy them, we have to fulfill certain kinds of social responsibility towards them, right? So now we will go into details of the kinds of interest groups that the business has. Now here are the various kinds of interest groups that the business can have. Now internal stakeholders means internal interest groups and external stakeholders means the external interest groups. Stakeholders are also known as the interest groups. So a company or a business has two kinds of interest groups. That means first kind is internal stakeholders, which consist of employees, manager and owners. That means they are the person who are internally related with the business. Okay, and next we have the external stakeholders. That means they are not directly they are related externally. That means they do not have an control over the internal activities of the business, right? So that is why they are claimed as external stakeholders, and they comprises of suppliers, society, government, creditors, shareholders and customers. Okay, so these are the various kinds of stakeholders or the interest groups that the business is having. Now now there are various kinds of social responsibility that the business has to perform towards these interest groups. So first, if I move to employees, now for your convenience I am clubbing up employees and managers as together. Okay, so managers plus employees, I'm taking it as employees because managers are also the employees of the organization. So for fulfilling the social responsibility towards employees, what can be the activities that the business should carry out? Business should provide them fair wages or fair remuneration, good working condition, provide the other benefits and perks like healthcare facilities, education facilities for their children, then giving them proper training and upgrading their skills. So then giving them the proper incentives. So these are the various kinds of social responsibility that the business has to perform towards the employees. Okay, now owners means those who are investing in your business or those who are running the business. So owners, the social responsibility rise, that means to ensure that they are getting the regular amount of return on their investment. And like those who invest in your business, they should be given a proper rate of return. Then they should be, and we should pay them regularly. The return should be paid to them regularly. Then we have to give the complete information regarding the financial position of the firm towards them. Like we cannot misguide them or mislead them, right? Then moving on to suppliers. Suppliers means those who supply the raw materials to your business. So we should always satisfy the suppliers, like we should pay them proper payments. Regular payments should be made to them. We should behave with them properly, and we should not deceive them or cheat them. Then we must promote, or we must help the small scale suppliers by giving them the orders or placing orders with them, to guide them and assist them in improving their quality of the raw material they are supplying to us. Okay, then society. So this is the very important thing that company has to follow. Like society, the business must provide good quality products to the society. They must take care of the pollution and the other aspects related to the environment, because society is the part of the environment. Then they should not deceive the customers, like they should not cheat the customers. They should avoid the black marketing and hoarding, all those things. Then comes the government. We have, like for government, it includes basically the taxation policies and all. So we should follow the taxation policies properly. We should pay the regular taxes. We should not try to escape or evade taxes. We should pay them regularly. Then we should not carry out any such kinds of unlawful activities or unlawful dealings in our business, which might invite government interventions, okay, into our business. Then comes the creditors means we have to pay them regularly. We should not exploit them. Then shareholders means we have to those who are investing in a business. So owners and shareholders are almost similar in nature, but there are various little bit difference between them, very slight differences between them. So shareholders basically invest in the shares of your company, and owners need not necessarily invest in the shares of your company, okay, or the other kinds of investors need not invest in the shares of your company. So shareholders means maximizing the shareholders wealth. That means giving them more and competent dividend, that means the return, okay. And now customers, as I already told you, like society, customers is also part of society. So we should provide good quality products to the customers. We should not cheat them. We should not deceive them. We should provide them after sales services. So these are the various kinds of social responsibilities that a business has to take or has to undertake and perform towards its various interest groups, okay. So this much for today. I'll give you the notes tomorrow regarding the various kinds of social responsibility towards different groups, and you can go through those notes, and if you face any problem you can ask me again. Thank you, children.